right, so sometimes this Blizzard 860 SW, which is what does that stand for? Speed wing plow will drive you nuts. Today I didn't want to go left, but only go right. I was stuck in the right position, so I had some carb cleaner laying around. And I know you're not supposed to use carb cleaner to clean terminals on a plow, but that's what I found. So we sprayed some carb cleaner in the connections, and now it seems to be turning left, right, going up and down. So we're gonna get a video of that. You guys can watch this baby in action. So let me get you set up here. As soon as I get the GoPro to line up.
Bottle of water on.
All right, I'd say it's operational, and we're waiting for some snow now. So that's the Chevy K3500 with the Blizzard 860 SW plow. Thanks for watching.